Hello viewers, this is IT Learning Tutorial YouTube channel for you. Today in this tutorial we learn how to calculate count and counter and counter blank in Microsoft Excel sheet. So sometimes it became important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. At first we import your data. We want to calculate counter and counter. COUNTBLANK. At first we select cell. We sell our result. At first you equal. We want to count count and first bracket and value number value, click and place colon and to last number and bracket close and enter, and we are seeing total number is 20 counted by counter, also counter at first you place equal and counter and select value number and place colon and select last value number and close first bracket close and enter, and we just remove one remove it to our changes result. We also calculate COUNTBLANK. At first select cell and place equal and COUNTBLANK. Equal COUNTBLANK and select value and colon and select last number and close this bracket and enter, and 0 black 1 is count 1. Result are changed. With this step we calculate counter and COUNTBLANK in Microsoft Excel sheet. If this video is benefit for you, so I request you subscribe my channel to watch the next tutorial. Thank you very much.